God, let my brushstrokes become interwoven. Keep me alive, clarified and unbroken. Let me ascend into steady emotion. Give me the strength against all my erosion. Are these the colors of my legacy? When what's hanging on the wall is the only thing that's left of me? Do the answers wait for us afar until death takes us up to a star? What happens when we die? The answer's in that sky. The dawn's no guarantee, but the sight of the starry night, the sight of the starry night makes me free.